Okay guys, Retro here. Today we're going to do a quick demonstration on how to attach your fly to your leader with a loop. So first of all, I'm using a lace because it's easier to see. We'll just do an overhand knot, like so. Turn that over like that, and then we'll run that through our scissors, which are supposed to be our hook. Bring that back up through there like so, and then wrap 1, 2, 3, and pop that back through there like so, and then snug it down and snip the tag off. And there you've got a decent loop to fly connection, and which will impart more action to your fly. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.